One B.Tech graduate, 365 days of application, yet zero placements. This is a real story. There's a thread on Reddit which is going viral. He's a B.Tech graduate of 2025 batch. He has done nothing wrong. He appeared for all his exams, passed all the subjects, didn't fail any of them, but yet, despite trying for a year, he hasn't been able to get a job. That student was 17 once, exactly where you are today. And one decision cost him this much. In next 3 minutes, I'm going to tell you what that decision is. This is not even one guy's story. This is the fundamental truth about B.Tech in India. The average salary of an IT graduate in India is 3.5 to 4 lakh. This is after spending 4 years of your life, after spending 15 to 16 lakh worth of fees. This is the return, 3.5 to 4 lakh. और ये भी तब जब प्लेसमेंट हो गया, अगर नहीं हुआ तो ये भी नहीं मिलेगा. Let me tell you exactly what happens in 95% of colleges in India where B.Tech is happening. Year 1, it's a new city, new hostel, you get used to it. You barely manage your attendance, you skim through it. Year 2, theory, labs, exams, attendance, all of that you have to manage. Year 3 is when the panic starts hitting, because that's when you start seeing your batchmates, peers move towards placements. And that's when you start applying for 40 to 15 companies and nuclear theory comes year 400. Year 4, baselines, operator, 3.5 through 4 LP. That's the truth of what's going on in 95% of colleges. Where do you think the student went wrong? The first day of his first year. In his first year, when the student should have been building with AI, learning AI tools, making his DSA concept solid, spending more time on GitHub rather than Instagram, that's exactly what they did do. The first year slipped away and the ROI showed up 4 years later. It wasn't his fault. The system is built that way. Everybody around him was doing the same thing, so it felt normal. But this is 2026. Let me tell you what all has changed. In past, just like we upgraded for smartphones, internet and computers, this is the same moment. Except this time, the upgrade is not optional. In the first 3 months of 2026 alone, 55,000 tech jobs were cut globally. That's 171 companies cutting jobs for 736 people every day. Let that sink in. Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, every CEO saying the same word. AI is replacing jobs. The entry-level jobs such as testing, QA and IT support, the stepping stone jobs, the exact jobs that a standard B.Tech was designed to deliver it to you. As per an economic science report, in financial year 25-26, India की जो top 5 biggest IT companies हैं, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, companies like these, इनका total hiring additional count आपको पता है कितना था? Just 17 employees, not 17,000, not 1,700, just 17. Last year, यही number 18,000 plus था. Take that for a change that AI is bringing into the job markets. If you are going down the same path, forget 30 days. We are already behind. But here is the other picture, because the market has a split. And the other part of the split is exactly where I want you to position your career. और ऐसा नहीं है कि जिनकी 2026 में जॉब लगी उन्होंने कुछ अलग कराया वो extra smart. They just did one thing differently. They leveraged AI to build real-world applications, actual deployable projects on their GitHub profiles that solve for real-world problems. A startup mindset, a go and get attitude, a builder mindset. This is the difference. Not talent, not marks, not grades, not IIT, NIT. What have you built over the 4 years? That's what's going to differentiate. So any college that you're considering, just ask yourself, क्या पहले साल से वो आपको राइट AI टूल्स पढ़ा रहे हैं? क्या आप हैकाथॉन से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो? Are you actually solving questions from e-code? Are you getting mentored by right tech mentors? Is building and deploying real-world applications or a startup thinking in the curriculum, or is it just on the brochure? If the answer is yes, 4 years from now you're a builder. But if the answer is wait, at Mirai School of Technology, we only select the top 12% students. We are not trying to be exclusive. It's simply because your peer group is the most underrated asset that you have. When your peers are building, you will build too. From year one, here is what Mirai student gets exposed to. Lead code profiles, code courses, contests, hackathons, using AI to build real world projects. And that's not just academics. They are leading in sports, culture, and entrepreneurial things as well. Building personality that is truly industry ready. And these are not final year students. These are students who are sitting at exactly your place just 12 months ago. If you want to be a builder, you have 30 days. Because a builder doesn't just write codes, a builder leads our system. All your friends, classmates, over the next months, they're going to start new lives in new city, in new masters, in new campuses. The difference is, where do you choose to spend your next 2 years? We have two Mirai campuses that are filling right now. One, admissions are already closed. Take the mains exam. 90 minutes is all you need to know exactly where you stand. Link is in the description.